Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 11th October 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 12. Name of the chapter: Air, Water and Weather. Okay, now see student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we have I have completed the explanation of the chapter. All the topics of this chapter I have covered. So now in today's video we will start the book exercises of the chapter. So all of you take out your book and open page number 75. Okay. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. Okay, question number A. When the wind blows dash, it is called bridge. So when the wind blows dash, it is called bridge. Option number A, fast. Option number B, super fast. Option number C, gently. And option number 4, heavy. So when the wind blows dash, it is called it bridge. So answer is not fast, heavy and super fast. So when the wind blows gently, this is the right option. Okay, note down the answer. When the wind blows gently, now question number second. Question number 2. Is it clear? When the wind blow. So question number 2. The dash causes movement of hot and cold. See, the dash causes movement of hot and cold air. So options are option number A, moon. Option number B, sun. Option number C, earth. Option number D, none of these. So student, the dash causes movement of hot and cold air. So all the changes which take place in the weather, that is due to the sun. जितनी भी वेदर में ये जो बेटा चेंजेस आती है ये किसकी वजह से आ रही है? दिस इज ड्यू टू द सन. सो दैट इज द रीजन सन इज द राइट आंसर. Then question number, then we will start with question number 3. The process of changing of water vapor into water is called it dash. Option number A, evaporation. Option number B, filtration. Option number C, condensation. Option number D, none of these. So the process of changing of water vapor into water is called evaporation. No, evaporation process take place on heating. ठीक है, on heating the water change into a vapor form. Filtration is also not a right answer. Condensation, yes, this is the right answer. So on cooling the water vapor change into a water. So what is the name of the process? Condensation. Fourth question, water droplets appear on a cold bottle due to dash. Okay, so what are the options? Option A, evaporation. Option B, heating. Option C, condensation. Option D, melting. So water droplets appear on a cold bottle. How this is possible student? Water vapors, जो भी water vapor होते हैं बेटा, water droplets appear. ठीक है, so water droplets appear on a cold bottle due to evaporation. No, heating. No, melting is also not a right answer. This is due to condensation. What happens when we take out a chilled bottle? Okay, when we take water bottle, cold bottle, because when we put cold bottle on the table and we take out that chilled bottle from the refrigerator, so what happens? Water vapors are present in the air, and when these water vapor come in touch with the cold surface of the bottle, then what's happened? They cool down and then they change in the form of a water. and this is due to condensation. So condensation is the right answer. Is it clear? So condensation is the right answer. Option number 5, fifth question. Dash here tells us about the weather. Dash here tell us about the weather. So what is the answer? Options are A, hot or cold, B, fast, C, damp, D, all of these. So dash here tell us about the weather. वेदर हॉट है वेदर की कोल्ड है वेदर, इसका किससे पता चलता है बेटा? इसका पता चलता है ड्यू टू द हॉट और कोल्ड एयर. ओके, हॉट और कोल्ड एयर. सो इससे पता चलता है कि वेदर कैसा है. ठीक है. So we have completed question number 8, that is take the correct answer. Now question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Now second question is fill in the blanks. So the blanket of air surrounding the earth is, so the blanket of air is a surrounding. तो अर्थ के चारों तरफ क्या है बेटा? एयर है, और इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? इज कॉल्ड इट एटमॉस्फेयर. So the blanket of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. Dash refers to the amount of water, amount of water present in air. So amount of water vapor present in the air, what does it mean? It means the amount of water vapor present in the air. This is known as humidity. This is known as humidity. Third, water gets heated dash then land. So when the sunlight falls on water and land, so land get heated faster and water take time. So question is, water gets heated slower than land because it take more time to heat. Okay, now question number 4. Dash changes from season to season. So dash changes from season to season, that is student weather, because you know that we have different types of weather like summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season and spring season. So how this changes, that is known as dash changes from season to season, that is the weather. In summer the weather is very hot, the air is very hot at that time, but in the winter the weather is cold and the wind blow, that is cool. Okay, so weather changes from season to season. Dash falls from the clouds. Dash falls from the clouds in a solid state. Dash falls from the cloud in a solid state. तो solid state में hail भी आते हैं, ठीक है, snow भी आएगा. So any of the answer you can write. Snow falls from the cloud in a solid state. Is it clear? You can take a screenshot. So after completing question number B, let's start with question number C. Question number C. Give one word answer. Next question is question number C. Give one word answer. First is frozen raindrop is dash. That is, you can write snow also or you can write hail also. Okay, thank you student.